Hello my dear pharmacist friends, welcome to this new pharmacy MCQs video. Our first MCQ of this video, the most common side effect associated with obesity medication, orally state that mostly results in patients stop taking this drug is. So options are severe headache, flatulence and increased defecation, suicidal ideation, severe heartburn and palpitations. Actually, there is a common side effect that is associated with the use of anti-obesity medication orally state, and that results mostly in patients discontinuing its use, and that is flatulence and increased defecation. Actually, this is the common side effect that occurs with the use of this medicine orally state, and which results mostly in patients not wanting to continue taking this drug. So B is our correct option here. Identify anti-obesity medication among the following that is teratogenic. So options are bupropion, naltrexone. B option is phentermine plus topiramate. C option liraglutide. D option is phentermine, and last option diethyl propion. Among these options, there is one anti-obesity medication that is teratogenic in nature, meaning that it cannot be indicated during pregnancy since it will cause birth defects in the newborn baby, and that is phentermine plus topiramate. It is actually the topiramate part that causes this teratogenic effect. Topiramate is an anticonvulsant drug and it has found its use in obesity treatment. So this compound is teratogenic in nature. So B is our correct option here. The longest acting triptan among the below is zolmitriptan, sumatriptan, rizatriptan, elmotriptan and frovatriptan. Actually, among the following, the longest acting triptan is frovatriptan. Triptans are actually anti-migraine medications. In humans, how many types of blood groups are there in total? Options are 2, 3, 4, 8 and 10. It is actually 8. There are 8 types of blood groups in total in humans, and that are blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O, and their respective negative, that is A negative, B negative, AB negative and O negative. So there are total 8 blood groups in humans. In general, the rarest blood group is options are O positive, A negative, B negative, B positive and AB negative. Actually, this question asks about the blood group that is rarest, and that is AB negative. It is actually the AB negative blood group that is the rarest among all the blood types, and we can see it here in our chart. So these blood types are there: O positive, O negative, A positive, A negative and so on. And so we can see here that AB negative is the rarest, that is it is 0.7% in the human population. They have this blood type AB negative. The term metabolic syndrome indicates obesity, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease. Last option, it's an umbrella term for all of the above. Actually, metabolic syndrome is indicative of obesity, hypertension, type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. So actually, metabolic syndrome is an umbrella term for all of the above. So E is the right option here. Okay, the next MCQ, which category of enzymes catalyze the joining of two large molecules by forming a new chemical bond between them? So options are oxidoreductases, ligases, transferases, isomerases and hydrolases. Actually, the question asks about the type of enzyme that catalyze the joining of two large molecules by forming a new chemical bond between them, and that is ligases. Transferases will actually catalyze the transfer of a group of atoms from one molecule to another. Isomerases will catalyze the conversion of one isomeric form into another. Hydrolases will catalyze the breaking of a larger molecule into smaller molecules with the help of water. In general, the most common blood group type is options are O positive, A negative, B negative, B positive and AB negative. Now this question asks about the most common blood group type, while the earlier question was asking about the rarest one. This question is asking about the commonest one. So options are there, and actually it is O positive blood group that is the most common. We can check it out here also on our chart. We can see that on top of it is O positive, that is, and its distribution is 1% in 3, that is, in every 3 person 1 person have this blood group, that is O positive, and in total human population 38.4% have this blood group type. So O positive is the most common blood group type. So A is our correct option here. GLP-1 receptor agonists are indicated in appetite stimulation, skeletal muscle stimulation, obesity, serotonin syndrome, extrapyramidal side effects management. Actually, the question asks about the indication of GLP-1 receptor agonists. GLP stands for glucagon-like peptide 1 receptor, and GLP-1 receptor agonists are indicated in weight reduction, that is, in obesity. So C is the correct option here. An anti-obesity drug, orlistat, works by reducing fat absorption. It reduces this fat absorption by about 99%, 80%, 60, 45 and 30%. Actually, this anti-obesity drug orlistat, it works by reducing fat absorption, and this fat absorption is reduced by orlistat by how much percent? This is actually the question of this MCQ, and the right answer here is 30%, because orlistat reduces fat absorption by 30%. Friends, this was enough for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learnt something or other from this video. For more such pharmacy MCQs videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.